Just a few months ago, many parts of this stadium were still surrounded by heavy construction activity, unfinished structures, and open work zones. But today, the transformation is becoming impossible to ignore. New structural milestones are being reached, more areas are taking on their final appearance, and several sections of the project are advancing at the same time. So sit back, relax, and let's take a closer look at the latest progress unfolding across this incredible project. Significant progress has been recorded across the South Goal sector as lamella installation continues advancing rapidly. Since the previous update, the entire lower row of lamellas in this section has been completed, extending across the sector while maintaining the necessary gaps around structural pillars. Installation has also progressed upward, with several additional lamellas now mounted on the upper levels. Although work remains on the higher sections and the false ceiling area, visible coverage has expanded considerably, and the facade is beginning to take shape more clearly. A newly installed compression ring box section is now visible within the South Goal area. The large steel segment has been connected to the adjacent radial beam and extends further into the central portion of the stand. Most fastening operations appear to be completed, with only a small number of bolts still awaiting installation. The tower crane lifting slings remain attached, indicating that final securing procedures are still ongoing before the segment is fully released and integrated into the structure. Work around the mobility core continues to move steadily toward the next phase. Nearly all facade anchor points have now been installed, leaving only a handful of remaining connections to complete. With the anchor system almost finished, preparations are advancing for alignment works and future lamella installation. This area is expected to become one of the first mobility cores where facade coverage begins, helping connect the South Goal facade with the adjacent corner section. A major delivery of lamellas has arrived at the side stand construction zone. Large quantities of facade elements have been staged near the access gates, providing materials for continued installation across multiple sectors. At the same time, lifting operations are actively positioning additional lamellas into place, indicating that crews are preparing to close remaining gaps between structural pillars and further unify the facade system. Work on the third tier continues to focus on the seating structure and finishing elements. Crews are making progress on the installation of prefabricated seating sections, gradually expanding the completed areas across the upper bowl. At the same time, ceiling work is continuing on the expansion joints between structural sections, an important step that helps prepare the tier for future finishing and weatherproofing activities. Work on the second cantilever continues to move forward as crews focus on preparing the structure for future roof-related installations. Activity remains concentrated around the upper sections of the stadium, where support elements and connection points are gradually taking shape. With the compression ring advancing above, the second cantilever is becoming increasingly integrated into the overall structural framework. The first cantilever, which forms part of the VIP ring level, remains structurally complete and continues to show a high level of development compared to other sections of the stadium. No major new structural additions were visible during this update, but the area remains fully prepared for the next construction phases. Finishing works, service installations, and future spectator-related infrastructure will continue transforming this level into one of the most premium areas of the stadium. Construction activity remains intense across the diamond structures. Multiple crews are working simultaneously on reinforcement, structural preparation, and assembly operations. New formwork installation has begun on one of the developing diamonds, marking an important transition into the next construction stage. Reinforcement cages previously prepared within the structure are now being integrated into the expanding framework as work progresses toward vertical growth. The neighboring diamond structure continues advancing at an impressive pace. Concrete walls are already completed, while reinforcement installation is progressing rapidly across the upper sections. Large portions of the steel framework are now in place, and remaining reinforcement work is concentrated in specific areas. Based on current progress, Preparations for additional concrete pours could begin in the near future as construction teams continue accelerating development. The most advanced diamond structure has now entered another important phase. Initial deck panels for the future slab have been installed above the supporting framework, following several days of intensive preparation work. Additional panels are already staged nearby, ready for installation. This development confirms that the structure is progressing steadily toward completion of its upper platform. Steel framework installation remains active across the side stand. While many beam sections have already been installed, several remaining gaps are still visible on the western side of the structure. Construction teams continue positioning and securing new elements, gradually completing the structural skeleton required for future development stages. The north goal sector has also recorded notable facade progress. Numerous new lamellas have been installed along the bracket sections, significantly increasing coverage compared with previous observations. Work crews continue extending the facade system across the corner area, gradually transforming the appearance of the stand as more sections become enclosed. Preparatory works for future compression ring installation remain active in the north goal area. Several support structures are being assembled and organized on the ground, while another formwork assembly has recently been lifted into position. Similar to the south goal side, one structural gap remains where a future pillar and radial beam will eventually be installed, continuing the established construction sequence. Inside the north goal mobility core, multiple work crews remain active across different levels of the scaffold structure. Construction teams are carrying out various internal operations as development continues behind the facade. Activity levels remain high throughout this area, indicating continued progress on internal infrastructure systems. Several elevated work platforms are operating throughout the north goal sector. Workers are focused on anchor installation, fastening operations, and preparation work for future lamella placement. While facade coverage in this area remains less advanced than other sections, preparations continue steadily for the next installation phase. The corner sector provides a clear view of recently installed escalators. Additional escalator components have also arrived on site, expanding the growing transportation infrastructure within the stadium. Protective coverings remain in place while installation and surrounding construction activities continue. Facade support structures remain visible throughout the corner area, although anchor installation has not yet begun across all sections. Some support elements still require protective coating and finishing work before the next construction phase can proceed. These preparations will eventually allow lamella installation to expand further around the corner facade. In the main stand area, cranes continue relocating large structural box sections onto the first cantilever level. Simultaneously, demolition and modification works are taking place on existing stair structures, where hydraulic hammers are actively removing material. Additional steel components have also arrived on site, supporting ongoing structural development across the stand. A new shipment of prefabricated concrete components has been delivered to the main stand sector. These elements have been stored near active construction zones and will likely be incorporated into future structural works. Nearby elevated platforms continue supporting installation activities inside the stadium framework. The stadium is now entering a stage where changes are becoming visible almost everywhere you look. From structural advancements to finishing works, each update brings the project one step closer to completion. The transformation is accelerating, and the final vision is gradually coming to life. We'll be back soon with more progress and the latest developments from one of the most ambitious stadium projects in the world.